Shraddha, take your bag. Signs. Symbols. Signs. Symbols. What are they? Look at the board, children. We write sleeping line. Then standing line. Including this is addition. Addition sign. What is this, children? Addition sign. Say 5 times. Addition. 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 Next one is subtraction. What is this, children? Subtraction. Called as subtraction. Do children subtraction. 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 Then next one is multiple. 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 Do children multiple. Then crossing line is Afzan bolo. Multiple. Multiple. Then division. 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 Do children write sleeping line. Then put the point up and down. This is division. Division. These are signs. Say children, what are the signs? Say addition. Next subtraction. Multiple. Division. Clap your hands. Oh.